Welcome to the first video of Platoon's Intro to Coding. If this is your first time learning to code, don't worry, you're in the right place. This course is designed for absolute beginners, and by the end of it, you'll be able to write basic Python programs and understand core programming concepts. Each page in this course includes a video like this one, a written summary of what you just learned, an embedded code editor so you can try it out yourself, and a few exercises to reinforce the skill. So let's get started. Programming is how we give instructions to a computer, step by step. Just like a recipe tells you how to bake a cake, a program tells a computer how to complete a task. In this analogy, the ingredients of the recipe are the input, the recipe itself is the code, and the cake is our output. We write these instructions using programming languages, Python being one of them. And it's popular because it's easy to read and write, almost like English. Here's an example of Python code that prints a message on the screen. We have a function called print, and within the print function, we have a string that says I'm learning Python. At the bottom of my editor, I can press the run button, and I can see the output of my code, which is the string itself. Why learn a code? Coding is everywhere. It powers the apps on your phone, the websites you visit, and even cars and medical devices. Coding can open up new careers in tech, automate everyday tasks, and create your own apps or tools, or solve real-world problems while developing critical thinking skills. And if you're transitioning into careers or trying something new, learning to code can open doors to high-demand, flexible, and remote-friendly jobs, even if you didn't start in tech. As you go through this course, remember, the best way to learn coding is to actually do it. So don't just watch. You want to practice what you see, you want to type it out, and try new things. Make mistakes. That's part of learning. You want to practice, and practice. Use the code editor within our course to try out what you see in each video. Every lesson has short practice exercises. You can run them right in the browser using that code editor. Try them, remix them, and experiment. Even if it feels a little confusing, that's normal. Stick with it. You're building a new skill, and the good news is you've already started. Awesome job making it through your first coding lesson. In the next video, we'll learn about the Python programming language and how to set it up so you can keep learning, both here and in the real world. Let's keep going.